when India was one of the most flourishing country of the world और हमें सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था। जहाँ दाल दाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। India was and still is one of the special countries of the world where all religions live together in peace and harmony. The diverse religion but united at heart until was so rich that people around the world wanted to do trade with us, including the Britishers, who came only for trade but stayed for a bit too long, for almost 200 years. ये दोस्ती और व्यापार कब गुलामी में बदल गए ये समझने में हमें 100 साल लग गए। And then in different parts of India, people like soldiers and farmers came together to fight against the British. They were very brave and wanted to protect our country, even though it was a difficult time. Their courage inspired many others. They planted the seeds of freedom in the hearts of Indians. major uprising against the British rule. It was a spark that ignited the flame of freedom in the hearts of the millions. The spirit of freedom did not die with this revolt. It lived in the heart of the brave souls like Bhagat Singh. Inqilab, Zindabad! I will sacrifice my life for the freedom of my motherland. Our struggle is not just for freedom from British rule, but for a future where every Indian can live with dignity and respect. Chandrasekhar Azad, a name that struck fear into the hearts of the British, vowed to never be captured alive. I am Azad and I will be Azad. I will fight till my last breath for the freedom of my country. Subhash Chandra Bose, a visionary leader, inspired countless Indians to join the fight for the independence with all his call for action. Give me blood and I give you freedom. Our struggle is a sacred one. We must unite and fight with all our might to achieve the independence we so rightfully deserve. Mahatma Gandhi. He walked the path of non-violence, believing that truth and love could conquer all. The Short March, the Quit India movement, these were their battles for the peace, yet they shook the foundation of an empire. Together, they wove the fabric of freedom with their blood, sweat, and tears. From the flames of the revolt to the final steps of independence in 1947, our freedom fighters showed unparalleled bravery and dedication. Today, we stand free because of their sacrifices, and let us honor them by upholding the values they fought for, the cherishing the freedom they bestowed upon us.
What a stunning performance. Give them a big round of applause.